Hello everyone. In this video we'll be looking at question 36 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question was one of the trickiest question in the exam, and to be honest it wasn't as hard as it looks like, just that there is too much information which makes it intimidating, but the question itself wasn't that hard. Let's look at this question. This is the question. Let me take it out. I think it will be easier to understand that way. So you're told that cricket is an insect. It makes a chirping sound. Scientists want to explore the relationship between temperature and the number of chirps. So two things that they're exploring the relationship. And once a day, for 20 days, they collected the data and the information is here. So here you have information represented as a box plot for temperature for these 20 days, and you're also told that you're also told something, that what is the mean, how is the mean different to the median for temperature. So all this bit is about temperature. Okay, the reason I'm not going into detail is because you need to look at the bigger picture first before coming here. Then you're told that there are 684 chirps with 20 data points. So this is about chirps. Good, I have this information, but I first need to know what am I doing with this information. Then what we are told is that there is a least square regression line that has been fitted. So x is the temperature on that line. We call x as the temperature, and y is the number of chirps. Okay. So, and you're given this equation of the line, but you're not told what is b. You're told that this is the equation, the relationship, and this relationship is through this equation. The most critical information you're told is that the least square regression line passes through the point x and y, this point x bar and y bar, which is the mean, sample mean of temperature and sample mean of the chirp data. Now this is interesting, because if I can calculate the sample mean of chirps and sample mean of temperature and sample mean of chirp data, all I need to do is just plug them in and I can calculate B. So I know a way to calculate B now. But what is it that the question actually is asking? Question is asking, calculate the number of chirps expected when temperature is 19 Celsius. All it's asking to do is put 19 into this equation and tell me what the value of y is. But you can't do that until you know b. And to calculate b, you need to work out what is this x bar and y bar. So now we know what to do with this information. So let's first calculate x bar. X bar is the sample mean. You're being told that the mean temperature is 0.525 degrees below the median temperature. How do you look at the median temperature from a box plot? Median is basically this value. So we know the median is 22 degrees. So 22, and what we are told is mean is 0.525 below 22 degrees. So subtract 0.525 from the median, and you will get the mean, which would be 21.475. Okay, we got 21.475 degrees. You know this x bar. Y bar is even easier. You're given there are 684 chirps. You're given it's from 20 data points. Divide, this is just standard mean formula, 684 divided by 20. So the number of chirps, mean number of chirps for sample data is 34.2. Now you know both of these. All you need to do is just plug them in to calculate b. So 34.2, so y is equal to minus 10.6063 plus bx is equal to, so I put y bar here, and minus 10.6063 plus b times this x bar is this 21.475, and solving this equation will give me b, which would be 2.08644. Once I know B, now I can come to the question. Question is asking me what is the number of chills when temperature is 19. So the equation becomes now y is equal to minus 10.6063 plus 2.08644x. All we need to do is plug in 19 in this equation. Times 19. And you will get y, which would be roughly equal to 29 joules.